Okay, today I want us to look at what's called structural isomers. The last video I talked to you about alkanes. And alkanes, I didn't show you the formula yesterday, but it has a generic formula CnH2n plus 2. So for example, we had methane, 1 carbon, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 is 4. Propane, 3 carbons, 2 times 3 is 6 plus 2 is 8. For example, I just mentioned propane. Whoops, I grabbed a different marker there. That's okay. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, let's go to butane. It has 4 carbons. Now, I'm going to save us a little bit and not write all the hydrogens in. But butane would also have an isomer. Okay, it has 4 carbons. Our formula says it should have 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is 10 hydrogens. I'm not going to write them all in. I'm going to show little marks here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, I can also have 3 carbons and attach another carbon right to the middle. And it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Carbon can have 4 bonds. This has 3, so put 1 there. There's the 10th hydrogen. Same formula then, or same composition, but obviously a different structure. So how do we name something like this? You always look for the longest chain. The longest chain forms the main part of the name. In this case here, you have 3, just like you have up here. So that makes it propane. But obviously we have something attached to it. Remember, 1 carbon is methyl, or meth. So this would be then considered what's called a methyl group, M-E-T-H-Y-L. And so how would we name this thing then? It would be methyl. And usually put a dash there, propane. Okay. Now, if you would attach that carbon here or here, it goes back to being 4 long. Just because something's written up here doesn't mean it's not in a straight line. So this would be methylpropane. That'd be the only isomer you can make with this thing. Okay, so let's go on then. We've done butane. So let's look at C5, which is pentane. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that would be our structure for pentane. Now what I like to do is have a logical approach to this. So what's 1 less than 5? Well, that would be 4. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we have a methyl group that we could form somewhere. So what if we put it right here? Now at this point, once we start getting to a little bit longer chains, we have to identify where is that carbon at? Where is it located? Okay, so we know this is still a methyl group, but it's on the number 2 carbon. So this would be 2 methyl. We got 4 in a row here, so it'd be butane. And what we're saying is we have a butane molecule on the number 2 carbon. We have a methyl group. Now I'm going to switch sides to look at maybe some more isomers with C5. Okay, so let's go back to 4 again. And what if I attach a carbon here? What would that thing be called? Well, it's still butane. You say, well, would it be a 3? No, you don't count left to right or right to left. You count in such a way that gives the numbers the lowest value. So in other words, this thing is still a 2-methyl butane. So you can see that it's the same thing, same molecule. So right now we still only have 2 isomers. Are we done? Well, not completely. 1, 2, 3, and I have 4 and 5. So then this thing would be 2,2-dimethyl and 3 long is propane. Okay, so, and I realize I'm kind of writing off to the right here. I'll shove the others over. So this is same as this one down here, so really don't count that one, but this is 2,2-dimethyl, and in that chain is propane. That part's not sticking out. All right, so let's go to one more. I think I got enough room in my video for that. Let's go to hexane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we attach a methyl group. So this thing becomes 2, 5 in a row is pentane. Okay, then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put one here, and I have 3 methyl pentane. And if I put it right here, I'm back to 2 methyl. So I'm saying, okay, I'm done with the pentanes. Can we do a 4? 2, 3, 4. Well, we have 6 carbons total, right? So if I put one here and one there, then what do we have? Well, we have 2, 3 dimethyl butane. Having fun with this yet? I'm going to go back over to this side again. I'm running out of room. My whiteboard's only so big. Okay, am I done? Well, not really, because I go 1, 2, 3, 4. What if I put both on the same one? Then I'd have 2, 2 dimethyl butane. If I put both carbons on here, then it would also be 2, 2 dimethyl. It can get complicated, as you can tell, in a hurry. Can I do anything else? Can I possibly add an ethyl group? Okay, we said CH3 is a methyl group. CH3, CH2 would be actually an ethyl group. Well, if I put 2 carbons together, and let's say I did that. I put 1, 2, 3, 4, and I put, okay, yeah, I can put an ethyl group here. No, now my chain is 3 long, and so this becomes 3-methyl pentane, which is one I've already done. So I'm going to give you a worksheet with this. Look at it, try it out, and we'll keep plugging along. This can get overwhelming if we let it, but we'll just keep plugging along. All right.